Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, after a long time, we will going to make a ukulele tutorial. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to make one of my favorite worship song from Hillsong, Ocean. So for basic chords on the tutorial, we have C, and then we have A minor, and we have the F and G. So we have a strumming pattern for the verse. We have the down, 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 down. So at the chorus, we have the strumming pattern of the down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Okay? So that's it for the strumming pattern. Very, very basic and easy to learn. But before we start, make sure that your ukulele is on standard tuning. So let us start for the verse. For the verse, we will start with A. You call me out. Upon will be G. Upon the waters will be C. Waters great on. You will go back to G. No, your feet may fail. Okay, so we will do it, and then you call me out upon the waters, the great unknown, your feet may fail. The next, you will repeat it again. For the chorus, you have a different chord pattern but still on the same chord. So we have the F at first, the C, the G. Okay, so we have that tree and that part. I will call upon your name and keep my eyes above the waves. The oceans rise, my soul will rest in your embrace. I am yours. You are. So that's it for our worship song ukulele tutorial. Very, very basic, just 4 basic chords and different patterns and strumming pattern. So thank you guys for watching until the end of this video. If it is your first time to view a video on my channel, hi, I'm Nicole. I'm a 17-year-old Filipina YouTuber who enjoys to create music, lifestyle, and beauty videos. So subscribe to my channel down below and get notified of every uploaded. Also, comment down below what should I make next for my video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye!